I am super excited to take you on a personal, super quick tour of the Dawson Ridge Estate. So I'm currently on marble floors. These are gorgeous. My client purchased this home in 2010. He brought it completely down to the studs, except for the fir flooring. Yes, fir, it's amazing. They are individual hand-laid end caps of 2x4s. Then the grand central staircase that goes all the way up to the second floor, marble and fir together. Come on down here, I'm gonna show you the kitchen, the family room. This hallway is half a football field. Can you imagine? Like kicking a football all the way down the field? I mean, don't hit a chandelier or anything, heaven forbid. Gorgeous panoramic views ranging from the coastal mountain range to the Cascade mountain range and everything in between. There's a lot of marble in this house, from floors to counters to shower walls. We have Wolf appliances and Sub-Zero appliances, not just in the kitchen, because there's hidden things everywhere. We have a refrigerator drawer that is always stocked with water, all kinds of water. And we have a freezer drawer. These are famous baked cookies. And no, I'm not giving out the recipe. Look at this, quite the pantry. Doubles as a bar. We have a second hidden dishwasher in here. And of course, there's a dishwasher in the kitchen. Here we have more refrigerated drawers. All the glassware and stemware you can need for whatever it is you're drinking. You can go all the way down from one end of the house to the other, right here in the back. The space in this house is incredible. I can't wait to show you the rest. All right, as we come into the formal dining room, first of all, I want to point out the chandelier. It is beautifully designed specifically for this room, and it goes perfectly. The design on the coffered ceilings matches the design on the glass cabinets, which are lit to showcase everything inside. The fireplaces are amazing. They are huge, very heavy, and surprisingly imported from Italy. We're talking 30+ foot ceilings, full floor to ceiling glass window. We have one of 2 home offices. This one's my favorite. It's got a lot to offer. It's beautifully done. It's masculine. We have onyx countertops, lit onyx backdrop, and check this out. The bar, we can hide it. We can showcase things, or we can showcase alcohol. This might be one of my favorite rooms in the whole house. I get super excited when I have the opportunity to talk about this room. So we have upholstered walls, alligator skin ceiling, shandy chandelier, one of the Italian imported fireplaces, and if the TV over the fireplace isn't big enough for you, there is a screen that drops out of the ceiling that is backed by a $500,000 surround sound system. We are going to head up the foyer to the second floor. This is the grand staircase. It is just fun to walk up and down. From this set of doors right here, the entire rest of this wing is all the primary suite. As I come in the primary suite, the first pit stop is the gym. What's there not to do in here? And as we round the primary suite, look at this space. The views are incredible. Here's another one of those fireplaces, king size bed, lit coffered ceilings, and this full marble bathroom. The floors are heated. I wish you could feel what I feel right now because my feet feel really nice and warm. We have a roll-in shower. It's pretty awesome. There are 4 shower heads in there. This closet is so cool. I love the mercury mirrors. It adds a really nice touch. These little hooks are everywhere. This is for hanging your dry cleaning. They are very handy. We're gonna continue down the southeast wing of the hall. are 4 bedrooms on this wing. One of them is used as a playroom, but 2 of them share a really cool Jack and Jill bathroom. It's precious, it's beautiful, it's well lit. The wallpaper is awesome. The clawfoot tub is amazing. And then instead of having this one set up as a bedroom, they have it set up as a playroom. So literally the possibilities of living, playing, growing, and learning in this home are endless. This garage is so cool. It's got an epoxy floor, 2 car lifts, so you can fit 6, possibly 7 cars in here, depending on how you arrange them. There's a 3/4 bath in the back, along with a big storage unit, and then there's lots of space on the other end. This literally is, I think, 2,500 square feet alone.